Hello everyone, in front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this phone. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, as this is the place where we can enter secret codes. Switch to keypad of course, and then let's enter the first code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So by entering this short code, you can find both IMEI and serial numbers. Then tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use here is *##, 225, ###. And here you've got the calendar info, so from now on you will not forget about any important event, as all your calendars are stored here and every event will be displayed. So let's go back, and another code that I would like to show you today is *##, 426, *##. And as you can see here, we've got FCM diagnostic mode, where you can locate events and also status. So smoothly by tapping you can switch between them. And if you wish to check some more info, tap on more and enroll advanced view. So that's it, that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.